What's good, people? I'm back with another video. Actually, after a long time, I'll let you lot in on a little secret. The previous videos were kind of pre-recorded a few weeks ago, so I recorded a few videos just to release throughout the last few weeks, and now I'm back recording content. Feels a bit weird. Before I get into the unboxing, review and that, can everyone please make sure they like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. We've hit 1,000 subscribers. We need to hit 5,000 by December, let's say. So in the 4th month, in 8 months, I want to be at 5k. I'm going to say this, I'm going to speak into existence. Let's get it. This one, another Nike one. The box is so big, it doesn't even want to fit in the frame. Obviously, standard Nike box. Pull for freshness. Actually, it's not a standard Nike box, the one they send trainers in. It's a bit bigger when you order more than one thing. That's the best bit. Just that loud noise. So, you helped plant a tree. We take our commitment to the environment seriously, which is why, in partnership with WeForest, we continuously plant trees to completely offset the carbon emissions we generate through product delivery. Alright, Nike, alright. We see you are trying to do. I actually like the way this box is, you know, like I just like opening the box like this. I think it's a bit different. So we've got the normal plain red Nike box with a Nike tick, and now the product information. Air Max Genome. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. So this is LT Smoke Grey / Iron Grey. They're a 9.5. I normally wear a 10, but I thought maybe a 9.5 might fit me because they look a bit different. Hopefully a 9.5 fits me, otherwise it's all long. I'll have to return and reorder. 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Ooh. Air Max Genome. I really like this trainer. Why do I like this trainer? Because of just the way it is, man. So it's got the air bubble. They kind of remind me of old school, like Air Max 360 vibes. The full bubble, Air Max, you know, Air Max 360 / Air Max 2015, 2013. I think 2013, 2014, 15, 16, 17, 18, all of those. I like this shoe a lot. That I don't really like, but we'll get into that in a second. So it says this product is made with at least 20% recycled content by weight, which reduces waste and our carbon footprint. So it's made with at least 20% recycled. So Move to Zero is Nike's journey towards zero carbon and zero waste to help protect the future of sport. So they are doing a lot to move to zero. So this is a shoe made of recycled stuff. Let me just put this one down and get this one out. They look massive, so hopefully they do fit. Hopefully they're not too big either. So it's got the full length midsole. I really like this sole, man. I don't know why, I just like it. So it's got, you know, the bottom a bit of, I don't even know what to call that color. There is a name for it, like an infrared type, you know, a pinkish infrared. So it says air at the front. It's got a kind of textured bit here. And then there's another material there. It's actually I quite like it. It's just the way the details are. So the upper, then it's got a kind of stitched in Nike tick. Behind it is like more of a if you watch my Air Max Ultra Moire video, it's like an Ultra Air Max Ultra type upper. I didn't really like this bit. I don't really like that. So that's the toe box. I'm not a fan of that mesh. but hopefully on foot it will be much better. So it's got the mesh. I prefer a lot of leather, or I would have just preferred a lot of upper. Just the same material upper. It's got a, Nike tick embroidered, a bit of hard plastic. That's actually quite stiff there. It's got the Nike on the back. It says Air Max with the Air pull tab. I really like the way they've done the sole on this, and then another stiff, the whole way around. Grey laces. I really like this colorway. I really like this trainer. Hopefully it is very comfortable. But I just got this because I wanted to see what it looks like in person. Also, I am waiting on the all white pair, the all black pair, and the black and white pair. I will be buying all three. I really do like this trainer. There's just something about it which sticks out to me. I hope that they are quite easy to get when they do release. I hope it's not one of those things where people are hyping over and just, trying to resell because I've had enough of that. Also, I just wanted to add another thing. I really love these type of laces. So these rounded type laces, they're the best laces you can get in trainers. I don't really like the flat type laces. These are much better. They last longer. They stay kind of stiff. They're quite good. Yeah, so I really hope I do get the other pairs, the other colorways, and I hope these do fit. They look quite big, so hopefully they do fit. Hopefully they are comfortable. I will be testing them. So one thing about them, the insole is kind of out, which I don't really like. So it's just kind of seems quite soft. Hopefully the heel's quite nice and soft as well. It's quite stiff. Yeah, so you can tell that it is quite stiff, so just that bit goes in. I'll try to review them as in on our running to see if they're good for running. I don't even know what these trainers are for. I just really like them, so I bought them. I don't know what I'll be wearing them with, probably with tracksuits and stuff. I am waiting for the black and white pairs, as I said, because I think those will be more, more day to day. These are a bit different. Just a really nice shoe that really stands out to me. It's kind of like an Air Max dad trainer, Air Max dad shoe. They look really good. Yeah, I'm not gonna waffle too much now, and yeah, hopefully I will be doing a on-foot video, and hopefully I can get the white pair, black and white pair. Hopefully they are actual releases and they do carry on releasing these, because they look quite good, and hopefully they are comfortable, because I'm getting old now. I need comfortable trainers. And if I'm honest, I think that's it for now. Just make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe, people, and take care. And as always, on foot video to follow.